Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another unboxing and try-on video. So I am on a mission to find a clothing subscription that is affordable and has a decent style for me. And today I will show you my new subscription that I am trying, and it's named Fashom. I opened it. I have not pulled anything out of this box yet, and I have not tried anything. And what it is, it does not require to be subscribed. There's no monthly fee or anything like that. If you feel like you want a box or something for either special occasion or for everyday look, I guess, you just go over there and request to be styled. So what it is, first session is free. Then it will be $15 for styling fee, and it will be added to your as a credit if you decide to keep any of the clothes. So what I liked about it, so I have not looked what I got, but what I like about it, what they do, they kind of pick an outfits for you, and then they send you an email. You go in and you preview what they pick for you, and you can select what you would like it to be shipped. It's kind of like between 5 to 6 items you select, and this is what they will ship you in this box. Then if you keep 3 items, it's 25% off, and if you keep all of it, it's 30% off of the whole box. So it comes in a purple box, which is really pretty. I like purple. Lately I like purple. So as always, they send you a prepaid envelope, which has already the postage on it. It has a card inside, and it will explain it to you what is next. And it has a little note on the card from my stylist, and it says, "Hi Elena, welcome to Fashom. Hope you are as excited as I am to receive your box. Morgan. Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable." So what I got an envelope, and this is my invoice. And what I am shopping for affordable subscription, and the cheaper the better, you know, we all want that, but I don't want the clothes look too crappy, I guess that's how you put it. But anyway, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So if I keep everything in this box, it will be around $118, which is not bad for 5 items. So okay, let's look what I got in a box. Okay, so this is first 2 pieces, the pants. I do really like the pants. They are high waist. They are perfect on me, not too small, and I don't have to suck it in to tie them up. This is how they look in the back. I think they're nice on my butt. I like the pockets a lot. Okay, so I zoomed in on the bottom so you could see how the length of the pants look. I think they are pretty decent, and I really like it. This is the top, the first blue top, and I do like, I really like how, let me get closer so you can see in the light how the top looks. This is what it looks, the front and the back. I do really like the top, and this is how it looks together. I think it's actually not bad together. I actually like it. So this is a top number 2. I left the same pants on so I don't have to match anything, but I don't know what you guys think. The color is a little off for me because I don't really have anything that kind of color, but it fits me pretty good. The sleeves are not too long, so this is how it looks, and I will zoom you in to show you how it looks closer. But this is the top number 2. Okay, so this is the top number 3, and it's a dark navy. I actually had to go outside to make sure, because in in the room lighting it looks black, but it's actually no, it is a dark blue. And I have a white bra on because I wanted to see if it's a see-through, and as far as I can tell it's not, and that's what it looks in the back. I really like this blouse. It has a collar and it has a v-neck. It's just, and I actually like this tie at the bottom. So let me get a little closer so you can get a better look how it looks. So see, I really like the sleeves a lot, and this is just gorgeous. So sorry it gets like a cut off of my face, but I want you to see how it looks. And it's with the same pants. I have not changed anything so far. I like all of them except that mustard one, so we'll see on the mustard one. Okay, so last top. So I actually like it. I like the color. I like how it sits. It doesn't outline this area, so it's kind of, all the tops go really well with the pants that they sent me. This is how it looks in the bottom, in the back. At the bottom is not too long, so it could, like half of my butt you could still see. I'm sorry you can't, but I'm trying with this camera, and I'm trying not to have half of my head out. But anyway, so I don't know. I have never had anything like that with the tie on the side, so I kind of like it. Maybe I tie a little more like that, I guess. So it's on the right, I guess, on this is my waist, so it's right where it's supposed to be. So let me get closer. Sorry, no headshot, but I want you to see how it looks right here in this area, because I like this button. It's really pretty, and let me show you how it looks in the back. So, and I do like the sleeves a lot. Let's recap. I do like this dark navy blue with the color. It's not see-through. Test it out. I do like the blue one. The pants are amazing. I'm still wearing them. And this mustard one, I think I'm just gonna keep it, because if I keep all 5 items, so I added up. So if I keep all 5 items, I'll get 30% discount, waive of $15 styling fee, and I get the $10 Kayla's credit referral that I used her link. So the total will be for everything is $117. So which is my budget is $150, like I told you in my prior video. So I am in my budget, and I do see myself wearing everything to work. So what do you guys think? Was it worth it? For 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, $117. And what do you think about this box? That was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think this is a yes box, and since it's not a subscription box, I can request when I want it. That was all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're one of my new people, please don't forget to click subscribe and give this video a like if you liked it. If you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one really soon. Bye.